Alright, just finished with the 4 bolts. Everything's all nice and tight. Now, this pipe here is the feed line for the oil. That's where the oil comes up and into the top, spins around, lubricates everything, and then goes down the back pipe and back into the sump. Now, if I start the car like this, we're going to have no oil in there. The turbo's dry, so everything's just going to shred itself to pieces before we even get a chance to test anything. So we have this little oil pump, and then we're just going to fill this with the same engine oil that comes in, that goes in the car. Maybe Alex should have put more in the tank before we actually started. So yeah, we overflow it a little bit, that's fine, it'll slowly seep through as required. It will also help to lubricate the O-ring that's on the bottom of this. Can't see it, but that's it there. So yeah, there we go. No issues with leakage there. So we'll put that oil line on first, and then this one here will be the coolant line that will sit right here, and we need to put on this exhaust ring as well. Wrap it around those two pieces to clamp those two sections together. So it's coming along really nicely now. Just after that one little hiccup, it's pretty smooth.